Oh, this is so delicious.
Time for French toast. About 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. 2 tablespoons of milk. Everything goes in 2s on this, except for the toast. Although you could call it a double wide. 2 eggs. After we're done preparing this French toast, we will put it into the refrigerator overnight and cook tomorrow. So this is part 1 of making French toast. Sorry, my fingers are in the way, but that's part of life when you're doing overhead. Ta-da! There it is. And we get a little whisk for, this is my special French toast container. Custom made for French toast, and if you believe that, I have classes on cooking, and you can pay $10,000 and I'll teach you how to make French toast. Here we are with the Texas toast, nice cinnamon swirl. Put it in, let it sit for about a minute, and then we're going to flop it over and clamp that down, and then it goes into the refrigerator. It's that easy. We'll get a spatula quickly here and flip her over. Look at that. Don't even get no muss, no fuss. Now, tomorrow when we take it out of the refrigerator, this toast will have absorbed 99% of that. It's amazing. We're gonna put it in the fridge now. Woo-hoo. Here we go, into the fridge. See, wasn't that exciting? Part 2 comes tomorrow. You want to take your maple syrup out and your butter and let it warm up overnight. Otherwise, you're pouring cold maple syrup and cold butter on your French toast, and we're gonna have nothing of that tomorrow.
Following morning, it's time to get the French toast out of the fridge and let's start cooking. We need a spatula, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, a fry pan, and then the French toast. Helps to have a covered fry pan for this operation. And here is the French toast. Last night, I said that the thing would soak up all of the egg, and it has, most of it at least. Here's the French toast right there. We warm up the pan. We put 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of canola oil in there. We bring it up to temperature. It helps to have one of these guys. This isn't necessary, but it helps. Now I know that it's already up to 268, 274, so I know that it's very hot and ready to go. Once we get the French toast in there, the first thing we're going to do is back this off to about 3 because we are going to cook it extended version. I haven't explained how we're going to cook the French toast today. This is a very thick slice of bread, and if I cook it at normal French toast temperatures for a small slice of bread, it'll burn this to crisp. So we slow cook it, and on the inside, the French toast will take on a custard-like, actually it is a custard because we're slow cooking that egg on the inside. Now we get this and we're gonna pull it out of here. This one will work. Want to sneak in there to get it easier. And then we pour the rest on the top because we're going to use all of this. Like I said, as soon as we get it in there, we take the temperature and we back it way down so that it's just bubbling. You can, like you do with steak, sear both sides, or you can do it the way I'm doing it. Let's bring the temperature up a little bit before we flip. And see how fast this is actually starting to bubble already. That's perfect. Oh, we're done. More than done. Hopefully not too dark. Oh, perfect. Time to go eat. Here we are at the table, eating our food. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have 3 cameras now. Because why not? Overkill. There's action camera and 2 of these guys. Oh boy, joy. Nothing but goodness here for eating French toast. Oh, nice. Oh, this is going to be delicious. Now, if I wasn't filming, I would have been able to get it before it fell. Do you see how it's down a little bit, but it hasn't caved all the way in? Now, this is great looking French toast. See how nice that looks right there? Now, except one thing I totally don't have is my coffee. Vermont maple syrup, tapped, organic. I got this over at the grocery outlet center. Let's give it a try. Taste it. All right. I know it's going to taste great. I wanted to have it just perfect. It's dripping goodness. But let's see if I can. Yum! Look at that. Custard on the inside. Mmm. That is so good. I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm just gonna eat now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Here's some more videos to watch.